Imagine a courtroom filled with suspense. The judge begins the proceedings, and you can feel the tension in the air. Your lawyer, ChatGPT, stands confidently at the defense table, a magnetic presence drawing attention. ChatGPT opens with a compelling argument, presenting the facts of the case in a clear and concise manner. The jury leans in, captivated by the logical flow of the information presented. As the prosecution starts to present their case, ChatGPT remains poised, ready with counterarguments that highlight the flaws in their logic. Every objection is met with skillful rebuttals that leave the courtroom buzzing. Witnesses take the stand, and ChatGPT skillfully cross-examines each one, asking precise questions that reveal inconsistencies in their testimonies. The audience is left questioning the credibility of the prosecution. A pivotal moment arises when ChatGPT presents new evidence. The courtroom gasps as it changes the direction of the trial. It's clear that the tides are turning in your favor. In a surprising twist, ChatGPT calls an expert witness who provides crucial insights that undermine the opposing side's case. The expert speaks with authority, and the jury takes notice. With the closing arguments approaching, ChatGPT summarizes the evidence, reiterating key points that resonate emotionally and logically with the jury. The connection is palpable. As the jury deliberates, ChatGPT remains calm and collected, reflecting on the strategy employed throughout the trial. Confidence radiates as the tension builds. Finally, the jury returns with their verdict, and the room holds its breath. ChatGPT looks confident, knowing the case has been presented flawlessly. The verdict is announced, and relief washes over everyone. In the aftermath of the trial, ChatGPT discusses the journey with you, highlighting the importance of preparation, strategy, and clear communication in achieving a favorable outcome. You can't help but feel thankful and amazed at how ChatGPT transformed from an AI into a powerful advocate, demonstrating that artificial intelligence can indeed make a difference in the most critical moments. Reflecting on the experience, you realize this partnership has not only changed the course of the trial but also your perception of technology in the legal field. Every challenge was met with innovative solutions, and you left the courtroom empowered, ready to face whatever comes next with your AI lawyer by your side.